Welcome to Sabhu's Kitchen. A blend of North Indian and South Indian food is always enjoyable, and a blend of chaat with roti is try worthy. Today from Sabhu's Kitchen preparing kadai roti chaat.
The ingredients for roti are rice flour 1 cup, red chili powder 1 spoon, salt half spoon, grated coconut 2 tablespoons, jeera half spoon. Ingredients for chaat: green chutney, sweet chutney, chopped onions, grated carrot, save and chopped coriander. Take a bowl, add rice flour, salt, chili powder, jeera and coconut. Mix it well. Now add water and prepare dough. Take a pan, grease it with oil and spread the dough evenly to a thin layer. Fry it in a low flame. Switch off the flame once the roti is crispy. Now spread green chutney and sweet chutney evenly on the roti. Add onions and carrot. Garnish with save and coriander. Unique and tasty kadai roti chaati is ready.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.